Laba Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create appealing, beautiful presentations using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's dive in. So once you load your Microsoft PowerPoint application, click on blank presentation. So when it loads, you can begin to edit. So you have the first default slide that comes up and it allows you to give the title to your presentation. So I've given it that title, and I'll also say by light bulb moments. So to add a new slide, I can, number one, click on this slide on this side, and then right click, and then say new slide. Alternatively, I can go to under insert at the top here, click on insert, and then click new slide. The advantage of this, I can click on this down arrow, and then I can be able to select different formats or different types of a slide. You can get a slide which is just a title slide, a slide that has title and content, a slide that has just a section header, or a slide with content and with caption, etc, etc. Also, you can be able to duplicate a slide or reuse a slide. So for example, when I click on this and right click on it, I can be able to duplicate the slide and it will give me the same, allow me to add a new slide. So I can give it maybe a title, maybe this is an outline to my presentation, and I can give it, I'll start with how to create appealing PPTs with Word, with MS PowerPoint, and then a Q&A section, and I can conclude. So this is the outline to my presentation. So I'll pick this as the first topic and paste it there, and then go to Q&A and create a new slide and give that as the heading. If I want the Q&A slide to look somehow different, I can right click on it, and under layout I can change the layout to be title slide so that it looks different, and I can go ahead and try to make it look different, maybe by making it bold, etc. So with PowerPoint, they have this new feature. On my right top corner, you have design ideas. So when you're on a slide, you can click on design ideas, and Word will automatically give you suggestions on the look and feel of each and every slide. So if this appeals to me, I will click on it, and it will automatically change for me the first slide. Then when I click on the second slide again, when I click on design ideas, it will automatically generate ideas for me. And if there are no ideas available at that particular moment, I can keep refreshing and clicking on design ideas until I get a suggestion. If it takes too long on a slide, you can go ahead and move to the next slide, and Microsoft will progressively generate for you design ideas as you continue editing your PowerPoint presentation. So this design idea is a game changer. So you notice when you try to generate a design idea, it might not show, but when you try again, it will show. So you just need to be patient, and also as you progress editing your PowerPoint, it will automatically give you suggestions. So exercise patience with PowerPoint, and especially if your internet connection is really bad, then you're going to be at a disadvantage. But again, be patient with them. So far, I've gotten suggestions for the first slide and for the third slide, and I think I like what I see. And when you click on them, you will see more suggestions. So we've gotten a suggestion for slide 4. So if we don't like what we see, we can click down here and see more design ideas. And then it's gonna load for you the design ideas, and maybe you can select this one. Then let's try for slide 2. So for slide 2, these are the ideas that we've gotten. We can select whichever we like, or you can opt to see more design ideas. Otherwise, we can use this one. So we can begin from the top to maybe have a look at what we've managed to do. If you think it is appealing, then well and good. Also, alternatively, if you love a certain idea or look and feel for a certain slide, you can again duplicate that slide. Okay, you can just click on it and then be able to reuse the slide or duplicate the slide. And there are beautiful suggestions here that you can can be able to change even as you go along editing your presentation. So I hope that you've learned something and you can now make use of Microsoft Design Idea pane and be able to make appealing presentations using PowerPoint. And for you to project, again, down here there's this slideshow icon. So you just click on it and you can be able to project your presentation to an audience, and then you can be able to navigate with your mouse. You can scroll up and down for you to be able to navigate from one slide to another, or you can use your keyboard's up and down arrow key or forward and backward keys, and once you're done it will automatically end the slideshow. I hope that you've learned something, and again, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post. Asanteni sana for continuing to support me, and for those who have not subscribed, again, please hit that subscribe button and give me a like on this particular video. Thank you and goodbye. Dun, 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 dun.